Top 5 Best Electronic Drum Set. Let's get started with the list. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit. The Alesis Nitro Mesh electronic drum set is impressive and simply packs a whole lot of punch for its low price tag. I now recommend this as the best cheap and entry-level electronic drum set for both value and features. It's very uncommon for low price tag electronic drum sets to include all mesh heads for the snare and tom pads. This is quite a change for me, as a few years ago if you asked me what the first kit in electronic drum set reviews would be, I would have properly opted for a Roland or Yamaha model. This kit uses an actual kick pedal and pad, which retains the correct motion of playing a real bass drum. Many starter kits will just have simple push bass pedals without a beater. This can feel less natural and impede learning. At number 2, Alesis Nitro Drum Set. It is now the best-selling drum set on Amazon, 1,000 plus models per month. And it deserves that title because it provides amazing value at an amazingly cheap price. It's the only kit under $300 in this review. What the Alesis Nitro can do for you: look professional, whether on stage or in your rehearsal room. Provide you with 40 slots containing drum sets mixed together out of 385 quality sounds. Plug and play home recording. You only need one additional cable and a laptop. It will guide and motivate you in your practicing through built-in training functions. At number 3, Alesis Surge. Just like with the Alesis Nitro and Alesis Nitro Mesh, the Alesis Surge is an upgrade of the Alesis Forge, with the important difference of mesh heads instead of rubber ones. That means that the all-mesh drum heads of the Alesis Surge are quiet enough to not annoy your family or neighbors while drumming. I found them to also feel great, which means that they threw my sticks back to me, rebound, after a stroke so I could play as fast as possible. And they also triggered the sound that the head is supposed to play without any noticeable time lapse. And the best thing is, the Alesis Surge isn't even much more expensive than its rubber brother, the Alesis Nitro. Therefore, I now recommend the Alesis Surge as my best drum kit under $500. At number 4, Alesis Command Mesh Kit. It comes with a solid 4-post chrome rack and a bigger overall size. Since most other e-kits in this price range are smaller, the Alesis Command looks more like a traditional acoustic drum kit. And that's what people in the audience are used to. Also, the tom pads, sized 9 inches, 9 inches and 11 inches, are larger than usual, 8 and 10, so you have some margin for error in terms of your strokes. And on stage, when you're playing and also performing, this can be very useful. The 70 digital drum kits and 600 sounds programmed into the sound module provide you more than enough flexibility to even play gigs where you'd have to cover a wide range of musical styles while on stage. At number 5, HXW SD61 Drum Set. The HXW SD61 2 is a perfect entry-level drum for drum beginners with a user-friendly interface designed and reviewed by skilled engineers. Provides user-friendly module that supports USB MIDI interface and O input. Ease of storage and movement. Offers onboard coaching function using metronome and recorder. Easy to set up. Collapsible design. It is affordable. Hi-hat, ride hat, crash hat. All cymbals feature dual zone with choke. Quiet 2 inches bass drum with kick pedal. User-friendly module supports USB MIDI interface, O input. So if you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.